Hello, I'm Simon and welcome to the SciRob YouTube channel. Now, if you've ever fitted an injector or you're about to fit an injector and you want to get the injector seat absolutely perfect in the engine, one of the easiest ways to do that is with the correct tool, which is an injector reaming tool. So keep watching and I'll show you how to prepare your injector seat for installation and you'll be able to do the job like a pro. So this is the problem that you have when you take injectors out. You can see the carbon build up on the underside of the copper washer there, and so that carbon build up there will also be on the injector seat in the engine, and it's that build up of hard carbon that's going to cause the sealing issue if you don't get it cleaned up properly. And then obviously you're going to fit new copper washers, so you want the nice clean copper washer to have a good sealing surface with what it's going to be clamped against. So this is the kit here, and this particular one has 5 adapters for the most popular injector sizes. There are kits which do an even greater range, so you just have to measure up your injector or take a chance. As you can see, this particular one is the one that I need for this Bosch injector, and on the adapter there's a couple of numbers. So this one is a 17 by 19, so 17 relates to the lower part and 19 relates to the higher part there, and that's a diameter in millimeters. So you get the once you've chosen the adapter, you put it onto the main tool, and then don't forget to do it up. It comes supplied with this little Allen key to do up the locking pin. If you don't do that locking pin up, the adapter could get stuck inside the cylinder head, and you'll have a hell of a job getting that out. And then you just put the handle onto it, and so it just goes straight down into the injector port, and you just push it as far as it'll go, and then just using light pressure, you don't have to push down on it, just using light pressure, just turn it clockwise, and that will, the teeth will start to grind off the carbon. And then just getting a loose rag, wrapping it around the end of a slim screwdriver, slim enough to go down into the injector hole. What you do then is, or what I do, is then just spray that rag with carb cleaner. So that has the double effect of cleaning any carbon it comes across, but also any bits that have been loosened by the tool, by the reaming tool. Any loose bits will then stick to the cloth, to the wet cloth, and so you just give it a good wiggle around, twist it round, and then just pull the whole thing out. And then you may get lucky and get it done once, you might need to do it a couple of times, but ultimately that's the result that you're wanting, an absolutely spotless injector seat ready for the new one to go in.